What if I told you, you could live in a spotless home without ever lifting a mop? In Japan, cleaning isn't just a chore, it's invisible. And today, you'll see how to erase mess before it even exists. Japanese homes have a secret: the art of invisible cleaning. Unlike a frantic Saturday cleaning spree, it's not about scrubbing floors until your arms ache. It's about creating systems, rituals, and habits that prevent clutter from taking root in the first place. By the end of this video, you'll see how subtle choices, small daily habits, and intentional design can make your space effortlessly clean and calm every single day. Imagine walking into your home and feeling immediate calm because everything has its place and nothing overwhelms you. That's invisible cleaning at work. Section 1. The Japanese approach to mess. In Japan, mess is treated like a ripple in a pond. Small actions can prevent chaos from spreading. This approach isn't about perfection, it's about preventing tension. Instead of reacting to clutter, Japanese homes are designed to keep it from happening. It starts at the door. The genkan, or entrance area, is more than a threshold. It's a buffer zone between the outside world and your home. Shoes are removed immediately upon entry, preventing dirt and dust from spreading indoors. Coats, umbrellas, and bags each have their designated spot. This simple habit instantly reduces mess and creates a sense of order. Japanese families often treat this space like a mini command center. Everything you bring in has a proper landing place. Designate a basket or shelf for items you bring in daily. If it doesn't belong to your immediate routine, it doesn't enter the living space. Even in small apartments, this principle works. One neatly defined zone can prevent mess from spreading across your entire home. In Japanese homes, there's an unspoken rule: handle it once. Mail, laundry, dishes, don't let them linger. Touch an object and immediately decide its fate. Put it away, wash it, or discard it. This one-touch principle keeps surfaces clear and prevents clutter from accumulating. Think of it as nipping mess in the bud before it ever becomes a problem. You walk in with groceries. Instead of leaving the bags on the table for later, you unpack each item immediately, wiping down containers if needed, and returning reusable bags to their spot. Within minutes, the room looks exactly like it did before you entered. No lingering traces of activity, no mess. Section 2. Invisible cleaning habits in daily life. Japanese interiors emphasize simplicity and openness. Clear surfaces aren't just aesthetic, they make cleaning effortless. With fewer items exposed, dust, crumbs, and clutter have nowhere to accumulate. The trick is to store rather than display. Cabinets, sliding doors, and storage boxes hide items that aren't immediately needed. This reduces the visual noise in a room, which naturally encourages tidiness. A Japanese apartment may have a dining table that doubles as a desk. During the day, the space is clear, ready for work. In the evening, it transforms into a dining area. Because items are stored away instantly, you never deal with leftover mess from previous activities. Cooking? Wipe spills immediately. Eating? Wash dishes as soon as you finish. Japanese households integrate cleaning into every action, rather than setting aside a single day for it. This prevents mess from building up. It's invisible because it's habitual, almost unconscious. By the end of each day, your kitchen, bathroom, and living space are pristine, without a major cleaning session. Keep small tools accessible. Microfiber cloths near counters, dish soap in easy-to-reach spots, and a small vacuum or broom for quick touch-ups. Convenience makes habits stick. Minimalism isn't just aesthetic, it's a cleaning strategy. Fewer items mean fewer objects to move, dust, or misplace. Japanese homes embrace multi-purpose furniture and vertical storage. Baskets, sliding drawers, and modular shelving help items find their place. The less you have, the easier it is to maintain order. When every object has a home, cleaning becomes effortless and almost invisible. A futon folds away during the day, doubling as a lounge space. Chairs stack, tables collapse. Daily cleaning becomes a 5-minute routine instead of a chore that consumes hours. Japanese cleaning often consists of small, consistent tasks performed daily. 2 minutes of sweeping, 3 minutes of wiping counters, 5 minutes of reorganizing. These micro sessions prevent buildup of dirt, dust, and clutter. Over time, they create a home that always feels fresh, without exhausting deep cleans. Set a timer for 10 minutes in the evening. Walk through your apartment and perform small touch-ups wherever necessary. You'll find that weekly cleaning sessions shrink because the work is already being done in invisible, incremental steps. Japanese households treat cleaning tools like sacred objects. Brooms are stored upright, cloths hung to dry immediately, mops rinsed and placed in a designated corner. This care extends their lifespan, ensures readiness, and reinforces the habit. When your tools are treated with respect and stored neatly, you're more likely to use them consistently. Cleaning becomes not a burden, but a natural flow of life. Section 3. Invisible cleaning beyond the home. Japanese cleaning extends to waste management. Trash is separated meticulously, but more importantly, items are discarded promptly. Don't let papers, packaging, or old clothes linger in corners. Mindful disposal prevents clutter and signals that your space is under control. This habit keeps surfaces clear and reduces the anxiety associated with accumulating items. A busy mother in Tokyo spends just 10 minutes every evening sorting recyclables, clearing old receipts, and tossing expired food. By the morning, the kitchen is calm, the counters are clear, and there's no stress about the mess left behind. Japanese homes are designed for effortless order. Sliding doors hide clutter, low furniture maximizes space, and storage nooks make every object accessible yet out of sight. The design itself supports invisible cleaning. Even lighting contributes soft, diffused sunlight highlights. Order and shadows obscure small imperfections, creating a perception of calm and cleanliness. The environment itself does half the work for you. Invisible cleaning is as much mental as it is physical. Japanese people often take a moment to reflect at the end of the day. Did you return everything to its place? Is your home ready for tomorrow? This tiny ritual, even if just a minute of mindful scanning, reinforces habits and ensures consistency. Order becomes second nature, almost automatic. End your day by walking through your home, straightening a pillow here, placing a book there. You'll wake up to a space that already feels calm, organized, and welcoming. Section 4. Invisible cleaning in the kitchen, where mess is born. If mess has a birthplace, it's the kitchen. And yet, in Japanese homes, the kitchen often looks untouched even after meals. That's because invisible cleaning begins before cooking ever starts. Before cooking, Japanese households reset the kitchen. Counters are cleared. Sinks are empty. Trash bins are ready. This isn't about cleanliness, it's about flow. When the space is empty, mess has nowhere to hide. Think about how often cooking feels overwhelming, not because of the food, but because the kitchen is already cluttered. A cutting board on a dirty counter, yesterday's pan in the sink. Japanese invisible cleaning removes that friction before it begins. Before you cook tonight, spend exactly 2 minutes resetting your kitchen. You'll notice something surprising. Cleanup afterward feels almost effortless. In many Japanese homes, cooking and cleaning happen simultaneously. Chop vegetables, rinse the knife. Simmer soup, wipe the counter. Waiting time is cleaning time. This prevents the end of meal disaster that turns a peaceful dinner into a stressful cleanup session. A mother prepares miso soup. While the broth simmers quietly, she washes the cutting board, dries it, and returns it to its place. By the time dinner is served, half the cleaning is already done without effort, without thinking. Japanese kitchens rarely overflow with gadgets. One good knife, one reliable pan. Tools are chosen for longevity, not novelty. Fewer tools mean fewer things to wash, fewer drawers to organize, and fewer places for clutter to accumulate. Every extra object is a future mess waiting to happen. When you reduce tools, you reduce future cleaning before it even exists. Section 5. Bathroom habits that keep it effortlessly clean. Bathrooms are another space where mess builds silently. Moisture, hair, water spots, but in Japanese homes, bathrooms feel hotel clean every day. That's no accident. In Japan, water is the enemy of cleanliness. After showers, walls are wiped, floors are dried. Squeegees and towels are standard tools, not luxuries. This one habit prevents mold, mildew, and stains from forming in the first place. Most people wait until mold appears, then fight it. Japanese invisible cleaning stops mold before it ever breathes. Each person is responsible for their own mess. Personal baskets hold toiletries. After use, items return immediately. No shared chaos, no guessing who left what behind. Responsibility keeps bathrooms calm. Instead of weekly scrubbing, Japanese households do daily 1-minute resets. A wipe of the sink, a rinse of the tub, a straightened towel. These micro-actions eliminate the need for heavy cleaning later. Section 6. Invisible cleaning in bedrooms and living spaces. The bedroom isn't just for sleep, it's for restoration. That's why Japanese invisible cleaning focuses heavily on nighttime resets. At the end of the day, everything returns home. Books to shelves, chargers unplugged, clothes folded or hung. This ritual takes minutes, but it resets the entire space emotionally. Waking up to order lowers stress, improves focus, and creates a sense of quiet control before the day even begins. Japanese living spaces are dynamic. Furniture folds, stacks, and slides away. Rooms transform. This flexibility prevents permanent clutter and keeps spaces open, breathable, and easy to clean. Floor living naturally encourages tidiness. When you live closer to the ground, crumbs, dust, and clutter become noticeable instantly and are dealt with immediately. Section 7. Laundry, the silent clutter maker. Laundry doesn't just create mess, it is mess when left unmanaged. Japanese invisible cleaning treats laundry as a flowing system, not a pile. Instead of massive laundry days, Japanese households wash smaller loads frequently. Clothes never pile up. Folding happens immediately. Nothing lives in limbo. Folding isn't rushed, it's deliberate. Clothes are folded to fit drawers perfectly, reducing wrinkles and disorder. When storage works, mess doesn't return. Section 8. Children and invisible cleaning. In Japan, children learn invisible cleaning early, not through punishment, but participation. Children clean classrooms, serve lunch, and tidy shared spaces. Cleaning isn't delegated, it's normalized. This mindset follows them home. Fewer toys, clearly categorized. When playtime ends, cleanup takes minutes. Chaos never has time to settle. Section 9. Mental invisible cleaning, the hidden layer. The most powerful invisible cleaning habit isn't physical, it's mental. Japanese culture emphasizes release. Finished with something, let it go. Objects, emotions, obligations, they don't linger. Space is treated as something sacred. Clutter isn't just mess, it's disrespect to the environment that shelters you. Final section. Why invisible cleaning changes your life. Invisible cleaning isn't about perfection. It's about freedom. Freedom from overwhelm. Freedom from stress. Freedom from living in reaction mode. When mess disappears before it begins, your home becomes a place of rest, not recovery. Imagine a home that resets itself, where cleaning doesn't steal your weekends, where calm greets you at the door. That's the power of Japanese invisible cleaning. Start with one habit today. Just one. Reset your space tonight, and watch how everything changes. If this video brought you peace, clarity, or inspiration, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a calmer home. And tell me in the comments, which invisible cleaning habit will you start today?